In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad, providing you with a full tutorial that will guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're new to selling digital products or just looking to refine your process, this tutorial will make it straightforward and manageable. So let's dive in. First, you need to navigate to the Gumroad website. It's the platform that will host your Notion templates for sale. Once you're on the site, locate and click on the Start Selling button. This action will begin the setup process for your sales page. It's an intuitive step, but it puts everything into motion, so it's crucial not to miss it. Next, you will want to click on the Products tab. Here is where you manage all your digital offerings, and it's essential to understand this section because it's essentially your product dashboard. After clicking Products, select the option to Add New Product. This option allows you to upload new items you want to sell on Gumroad. When prompted, enter the name of your Notion template. This name will appear to potential buyers, so ensure it's clear and indicative of what your product offers. With the name in place, choose the digital product option. This selection confirms that what you're selling is an electronic template, not a physical item. Next, you'll select your currency and enter the amount. Pricing your template appropriately is an art in itself. Consider the value it offers and price competitively. This step is crucial as it sets the financial groundwork for your transaction. The next task involves entering the name of your template. This reinforces the branding on the sales page, so make sure it's consistent across the board. Following that, add a description of your template. Good descriptions explain the value, features, and potential uses of the template, attracting buyers by clearly communicating the benefits. Now, it's time to visually represent your product. Upload an attractive image for the cover of your template. A compelling cover can greatly enhance appeal, so choose an image that resonates with the themes of efficiency and organization. Additionally, you'll want to upload a thumbnail. If you're not sure how to make one, Canva is a great tool for crafting professional-looking graphics. Moving slightly into marketing territory, select an appropriate call to action. This should gently encourage viewers to make a purchase or explore further. Once that's sorted, input a brief summary. This text provides a condensed overview of your offering, enabling potential customers to quickly grasp the core aspects of your template. If you wish to include more context or specifics, add extra details in the space provided. For personal branding or professional relevance, customize your domain URL. Using your unique domain enhances trust and makes it easier for customers to find your products. When all these parts are complete, click Save and Continue. You can then move on to the Notes dashboard to add any additional information like FAQs or special instructions that could support buyers or improve their experience with your product. Finally, publish your template. Once it's live, you can begin marketing and selling it to your audience. With Gumroad's seamless interface and this straightforward process, you're now set to start a successful digital selling journey. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your sales.